Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I decided to try something fun and festive with my kids. And I decided to try to recreate some Grinch-inspired, Grinch-themed chicken and biscuits, okay? And so it was very fun to do. But if you want to know and see how I did it, just keep watching. So I just started out with the basic buttermilk biscuit recipe that I have been using for a while. And if you would like to know that recipe, please check the description box below. I will leave the link for the buttermilk biscuit recipe that I always use. But I start out making my traditional buttermilk biscuit recipe. The only difference is I added green food coloring to the milk. That is what got my biscuits to turn the green that I wanted to be more Grinch themed and Grinch inspired. And so a key tip for making biscuits, everything needs to be cold. Your milk, your butter, your bowls, everything needs to be cold to give you that really good flaky biscuit. So now that I have assembled my dough, I'm about to put it all on the counter and get ready to knead it. Now the dough here was a little bit more loose because of the extra coloring that I added, but fear not, I just added more self-rising flour just to get it the texture that I want and to knead it to the perfect biscuit. Okay, now I'm going to flatten out my biscuit dough to cut the biscuits. I personally do not use a rolling pin. I just like to do it the traditional way of just flattening it with my hands, and then I go in with my biscuit cutter, dip in a little bit of flour, and then I just go straight down with the cutter and lift up. I don't twist, turn. I just go straight down, lift to get my biscuits. Okay, the biscuits are now ready to go into my preheated oven, and then I'm gonna bake them for about 15 minutes. And then when they come out, I am going to butter them and then top them with a little bit of honey. Okay, so now I'm going to make the strawberry sauce that I'm going to put on the chicken and biscuits. It's more like a strawberry preserve, but I'm going to add some freshly cut strawberries into my saucepan. Then I'm going to add some lemon juice, a little bit of water, sugar, and cornstarch just to thicken up the strawberry sauce. And then I'm going to let that cook until it thickens, but this will be like the preserve or the strawberry sauce that I use on the chicken and biscuits. You are more than welcome to just buy some strawberry jelly or strawberry preserves at the store. But I just had some strawberries at the house, so I just figured I would use them. Okay, and yes, y'all, I did have to put my husband to work. I asked him to go to our outdoor fryer and fry up the chicken for the biscuits. All right, we are now at the assembly time. I'm going to cut open the biscuits. Then I'm going to add some of that strawberry sauce that I made. Then put the chicken on top, and that is it, guys. These were so good. My kids loved them. I love that they really fit the Grinch themed that I had in my head. So if you want to try this, definitely try it at home. Easy to do, but the recipe to the buttermilk biscuits will be in the description below, so check that out. But all right, guys, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.